Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to verify the result. There is only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we will be designing. We will first declare the theorem. There is only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. We will take three non-collinear points. We will get their perpendicular bisectors, and from the meeting point of the perpendicular bisector, we will try to measure that distance of OA, OB, OC, and they are equal, they are equidistant, and we will try to draw one circle centered at O and radius OA, and it will pass through B and C. And we will declare that the two perpendicular bisectors of these two lines AB and BC segments, they intersect at a single point only. Therefore, we can draw only one circle. Therefore, there is a unit circle passing through A, B and C. Now, a child can come and change the position of B. They can change the position of C. They can change the position of A. At all the places, they can see that this is the unique circle called the circumcircle. So they can come and visualize it carefully. Let us try to design this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. I have selected geometry view, and I have taken in the option rounding off to one decimal place and labeling of new points only. As usual, I will start with the heading. I already typed everything and keep it ready. It is always better to have the heading and have some kind of explanation to the children so that they can enjoy this. And I already activated navigation bar so that if you go by step, you can ask the children to have a kind of interactive way of learning. Well, now let me go for the next statement of the theorem. There is only one circle. So I'm selecting it and I'm copying it. There is only one circle passing through three non-collinear points. I will put it over here. Well, okay. Let me take 3 points now as per my convenience. Point number 1, point number 2, and point number 3. Good. Okay. Now we will declare that these are the three non-collinear points. The child can understand that why they are not non-collinear. You can ask the question to them also, because all of them, they don't lie on the same line. Either A and B will lie, or B and C lie, or A and C lie. Therefore, it is there. Okay, now let us try to join this A and B and B. Sorry. Okay, again go to this segment. You join B and C. Okay, and now we will go for the perpendicular bisectors. Whenever you are doing it, we will be normally drawing the arc at the top, arc at the bottom. Then we will be doing it. But GeoGebra is giving you the perpendicular bisector directly. What it tells, select 2 points or one segment. I will select this segment AB. I will select segment BC. Fantastic. Now I will go for this point of intersection of these two perpendicular bisectors. Good. It meets at D. Now if you want to have it as O, suppose you can rename it. It's not required. It's left to you. We are going to have a circle, therefore I have made it. Okay, now what you can do is you can remove these two lines, these perpendicular bisectors. The job is over. Okay, now what we will do is we will try to tell that, okay, now O is the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector. You can declare that also. Therefore the child should understand what is that O. Actually, it is going to prove the part of the theorem that because O is the meeting point of the perpendicular bisector, we are getting the uniqueness. Okay, well, now let us try to join these 2 points now, that is O and A, O and B, then O and C. Good. Okay, now let us try to get its values now so that the child can come and check it out. Here from that you are seeing it as J, K and L. Okay, good. I think J, K and L. You remember it. Therefore, in that text box, you type OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to I think from the object property I can have, I think it was J. Okay, from the object property is J. Okay, 5.1. Good. Therefore, it is always equal when you just move it here and there. It will be always equal. Let us go to the next one. Therefore, ABC are equidistant from O. We will declare it. Declare this statement. One of the important statements over here. ABC are equidistant from O. Okay. Now in the next one, if we draw a circle centered at O, this is another a declaration we are making. Okay, I will make that also. Okay, let us try to draw a circle now. It's very simple. Go to the circle through the point. Therefore, centered at O, you just draw it. Oh, it passes through B and C. Fantastic. Therefore, we will declare it now once again. The two perpendicular bisector. If we draw a circle, it passes through B and C. Now, actually, what is this? O, we have got it. It is actually meeting point of the two perpendicular bisectors. Therefore, we will declare that two perpendicular bisectors cannot intersect at two different points. They have to intersect at a single point only. Therefore, again the same declaration continues. For we can draw only one circle with the center at O. This is another declaration we can make. For we can draw only one circle. Therefore, we are coming to the final conclusion. Therefore, it is unique. Therefore, you are having a unique one. Okay, now you see if you are having these wordings there in the worksheet itself, if it comes one after the other, the child will enjoy it better. For example, first we will tell circle through non-collinear point. We will tell them that there is only one circle to three non-collinear point, and you can ask so many questions. What are non-collinear points? Why they are non-collinear? Therefore, we can take 3 points. Then we can tell them that I am drawing perpendicular bisectors. Therefore, we can tell them that it meets at O. O is the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector. Now we can ask them that let me measure this OA, OB and OC. They are totally equal, equidistant. Now I will draw one circle centered at O. Now that circle has come. Now you can go on continue with your explanation that O is actually the meeting point of two perpendicular bisectors of AB and BC. It cannot be more than one. Therefore, we can draw only one circle and it can pass through ABC. Therefore, uniqueness. Now the child can come and pull it and push it. A can be moved, B can be moved, and C can be moved. They seeing that you are having a unique circle which is called the circumcircle of these three non-collinear points. Okay, thank you. Let us learn to lead.